how to eliminate terrorism, drug trafficking, tax evasion, money laundering, guerrillas, violence, mafia, enemies of the USA, and how to improve our economy, considering that all of the above activities are done using huge amounts of dollars leaving no trace. Drug lords in Colombia have billions stashed in the so-called Caletas, which are underground climate-controlled rooms full of US dollars. Violence and drug trafficking in Mexico and the rest of the world is based in dollars. About 80% of the drug produced in the world is bound to the USA and governed by cash. Tax evaders stash huge amount of dollars. The FARC guerrilla in Colombia operates in a dollar basis. Drug cartels and money laundering is a dollar operation. Enemies like Hugo Chavez, Ahmadinejad, Fidel Castro, Chapo Guzman, etc. finance their bad deeds in dollars. Crime families like the Gambino family and others also are dollar-based. Hitmen are paid in dollars as well. Islamic terrorism is dollar-based. Political bribes are also in dollars. Wall Street inside information is done in dollars. Human trafficking is dollar-based. Rigging elections in other countries is paid in dollars. I propose that the USA start printing dollars of a different color. Other than green, let's say red. The USA would give certain number of weeks or months for those legitimate people or institutions that have green dollars to exchange them for red ones. If the new currency was red, I do not think that the American people would mind it at all. I don't care if I cash my paycheck and they give me red money. Obviously, you will have to explain or justify where your huge amounts of money come from. For example, you have to explain to the USA government where your $60 million of green dollars that you kept hidden in your basement come from. Maybe they came from drug trafficking, money laundering, terrorism, illegal alien smuggling, mafia, etc. If you have nothing to fear, you would have nothing to hide. When the period to exchange your old dollars expires, all the remaining green dollars will expire as well, rendering themselves useless, just plain paper, like monopoly money. Drug lords or anybody doing illegal business will be left without a penny. With just monopoly money, people working for them will be forced to quit because there is no incentive to continue with the criminal life, since they would get no pay because the green money is just plain paper. The FARC will not be able to buy weapons and its soldiers will desert because there will be no pay. Drug lords and drug-related crimes will disappear. Money laundering will be a thing of the past, same as any illegal activity that can hurt our country or our economy. The cost of printing dollars of a different color is just a matter of buying a different ink color. The inconvenience to some legitimate people exchanging legitimate money will be very minimal or non-existent. Yet for those with illegal money, the inconvenience will be enormous, just plain bankruptcy. Our economy will improve because our government won't have to send so much money to so many countries to fight terrorism, drug trafficking, violence, etc. And all those dollars will stay in the USA. If the plan works and things get bad again, all we have to do is print dollars of a different color again. For a second, third, fourth time, or when necessary. There will be a huge money flow into our economy during the exchange of the old money for the new one. Huge amounts of cash will no longer be smuggled out of our country. Mr. President, Congress, people in general, please consider saving our country and the world as well. Signed, a concerned citizen.